Looking for lower prices. So I will like to see price getting above these readily equal highs. What do we have right here? This is smooth edges tend to be made jagged. All right, so now that we are above this liquidity pool, what is the market efficiency paradigm? We go from buy side to sell side, from sell side to buy side. When we are above this liquidity pool right here, we are not thinking as retail traders, oh my god, there's a breakout or the breakout artist. Let's just chase on strength. We're going higher. No. As a smart money trader, what we're looking to trade against is the retail trader's mindset, the retail trader idea where we're gonna chase this move right here. That's not how we rock over here. So we see right here buy side taken. We could draw up into this level. There's a daily volume imbalance. Smooth edges tend to be made jagged. Now, one of the things about having a drawn liquidity, having a bias, having an internal idea of where you think price is gonna likely to draw towards, that's one thing. But also being patient when the model and the opportunity for you to go short on this instance have to show up for itself. You can't say, "Oh, I think price is gonna go low. I'm gonna sell right now." You have to wait for the model to show up. If you believe price is gonna go, it's likely to go lower, but there is no opportunity to go short, then and it keeps going higher, higher. Well, your bias was wrong, but second of all, you lost no money. So it's a win-win. At the end of the day, if you ain't losing money, you're winning. So it's all about staying flexible with it. So we see price drawing up into this daily volume imbalance. This is where I would anticipate smart money reversal to form. So price can get in here even by one tick. We could easily, again, it's an on-use Monday, but in this range right here is where smart money reversal is more likely to form, right in this range. Now, why is this the range of where I'm anticipating smart money reversal to form? Well, buy side it's already taken. And this right here is gonna be an area where we could anticipate price to reject. Why? It is a higher time frame. Premium array. Why is this a premium array? Because it is above market price. So we are inside of a premium array. After the buy side liquidity is taken, this is where SM is looking to use all this liquidity that retail trading is chasing on to use it as counterparty for their short positions. That is what is most likely to happen. Now we are already seeing early signature, and this is the stuff that I'm looking for when I'm live trading. So we are seeing early signatures that price is not respecting bullish arrays. Now we are still inside of this two consecutive down close candle, which is a bullish order block right up here. But the early signs of us deviating outside of this busy and closing below it. Now we have this SIBI. One of the things that I'm looking for is to see if we're willing to get into this SIBI or leaving it open. It's way better to see it open because at the end of the day, when it comes to the PDRAs, we want them all to fail. I know that sounds crazy, but trust me, we don't want to see price get in here because that's going to show a lot of weakness towards the downside. Now, the moment this low gets taken right here, the next draw is going to be all this also liquidity pool. How far can it go from this low with no resistance? This busy right here. Price goes down for two different reasons. We're either going to seek liquidity or rebalance into an inefficiency. What do we have right here? We have a 1 minute busy. So now going below this low, we could anticipate that run inside of this busy. Now this right here, from this high to this low to that high, and going lower, this consecutive down close candles becomes the breaker. So if we are looking for lower prices, we want to see this price range function as resistance on price. Especially we want to see this gap stay open for more efficient price action. And this high right here is a protective high. We don't want to see price go above this high ever. So there we have the random level. Now, our ability to get in here is going to be determined based upon this busy right here. For us to go here, we have to go below here. And this is what you should be watching. How are we behaving after getting inside of this level right here? Are we showing hesitation to go lower? Are we looking to just go a little bit or with lower system liquidity run conditions? Today is a non-news Monday and it's looking pretty nice for a non-news Monday. Now, what do we want to see? If we are willing, we still have like 20 seconds to candle. If we are willing to create this SIBI right here, it's better for this SIBI to stay open. And we want to see the inversion for value gap doing the majority of the work. What do we have right here? So now I want to see if this candle is going to go higher. I want this candle to go higher, tap the bottom, maximum consequent encroachment of this inversion for value gap, maybe a little mohawk above it, and then send prices lower. That's what I would be if I was making the algorithm. Better to just do that right there. And what I keep saying, smooth edges tend to be made jagged. Why this is so smooth? So we have a low and a low, relatively equal lows, relatively equal lows. Like sales liquidity hasn't been taken. Smooth edges tend to be made jagged. On the higher time frame, this is what we have. So, like I said at the beginning of this, we're not looking to chase this anyway. We're never looking to chase this right here because this is how we trade as a smart money trader with the market efficiency paradigm, which is retail traders chasing this, and we as smart money, we're going to use all that liquidity to counterparty our own positions to distribute those positions below relatively equal lows or when we're looking to go long above relatively equal highs, because smooth edges tend to be made jagged. Sibi. What do we see right here? We see Wix doing the damage, but Body telling the narrative. We're still closing inside of this price range, which is beautiful. And where the body stopping? Below consequent encroachment. That is a signature that we're gonna have this kind of price action. And there we go. The second random level outline. Now we do have a lot of room towards the downside. If I was looking to be part of a move from the breaker, I would have been mostly out right here. And then leaving something just, I mean, to see where it really goes. You know, from the breaker to those relatively equal lows, that's 100 handles, 100 handle move. Yo, today price action was peak. Yo, Jesus. And there you have it. The random level before even market opens. I mean, it just is it. Do we know what we're doing over here? Do we know what we're doing over here? And what I'm, well, I have a couple of things in mind, but I just want to build the biggest library of proof that this is what's going on. I said it even at the beginning. I'm bearish. And what? Why? Market efficiency paradigm. Buy side is taken. We are inside of a premium array. Smart money is looking at this as Candyland. This right here is Candyland for smart money. All of this stuff at a later point in time is Candyland for the algorithm. This is all I do. This is all I do. Listen to me. Whoever's watching this, this is all I do. Where are the relatively equal highs? Where are the relatively equal lows? And second question, what have we done? What have we done? Have we taken sell side or have we taken buy side? That's what it is. And that's all it takes. Because we're not retail traders. We're not breakout artists. We're not trading harmonic patterns and trend line and all of this garbage and bullshit. This is what we're looking at. Buy side was taken, sell side liquidity is next. Sell side was taken, buy side liquidity is next. E C E C E C E C easy easy simple. That's it. Yeah, that's it. And look for your model. What it is that you're looking to trade. Are you looking to trade a breaker, the mitigation block, an order block, and inversion for value gap, the 2022 model, and that is it. Choose one. Have the market efficiency paradigm. And there you have it. Simple. I mean, wasn't this level outlined before market opens? This level before it gets there? This level before it gets there? This level before it gets there? Is it random? How can this be random? How are you gonna tell me that it's buying and selling pressure? How are you gonna have the audacity that an indicator is moving this shit? You can't change my mind whatsoever. Where price went, where price stopped, he just like it's still, oh my god. It's too beautiful. It's too beautiful. Too beautiful. Too beautiful and perfect. You have the audacity. It's buying and selling pressure. Bro. Yo, bro. Like, yo. Like perfect. Like this was like script perfection. What just happened in today's morning session was script perfection. And if you learn something out of it, literally just drop the like. That's what I want. Drop a like so I can keep doing this. I'm gonna keep doing it anyway if you want me to be honest. But this is building a track record live for the world to see. Perfect. Now I was in. You see right here. This is where my low hanging fruit was. Even though there's a chance to even get here, but like I don't overextend myself at that point. Let's say if I would have been most of my position right here, let's just leave a contract for the sake of it. Who knows? But this is where Candyland was. We see all this back and forth right here. You know what we're doing right here? What we're going up, we are generating sell side liquidity, and then 9:30 opens and goes high to what? Buy side liquidity. Retail. Tom, Dick, and Harry was going long right here. Oh my god, the price is gonna keep going up forever. Price is gonna keep going up. Look at me with my 37 indicators. Price is gonna go up. Got fucked. So yeah, I mean, there's um, and this is what what I have to keep reminding myself of, man. This right here will never, ever stop working. We see this gap right here, up close candle, bearish shoulder block. If we're gonna keep our bearish institutional order flow, we want this to function as resistance on price. Jesus. Beautiful. Price can easily just have the yo. One of the things that, because I consider myself to be a session trader, I just like to hold maximum for the session. But this could easily be like a whole day trading day, like hold for the whole entire daily range, like selling right here. Because I believe the high pretty much got made for the morning session. Just hold. So looking at the daily, yo, this is that volume imbalance. This only candle can just return all the way down. That could happen, especially having all of the smoothness low right here. Yo, one day. Every anticipated level beforehand. Well, I believe this is this is this is gonna cut it, man. That was yeah, that was it. Pretty short live study session. Levels were headed, and now let's go back to the drawing board.